Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Yo and I'm an enterprise mobility specialist with Citrix. Today I shall be talking about secure mail on your mobile devices. So a lot of users and IT actually ask, why do I actually need a secure mail client? Normally everyone will actually just use their native mail client, connect to their Exchange server and put down all the information, right? So what happens if you want to do a BYOD program and if the user loses the device, or if the user actually moves from the company, IT will have a difficult time wiping away just the corporate data on the mobile device. So today we actually have WorxMail, which is our secure mail client from XenMobile. This secure mail client enables IT to actually wipe away data that's within this secure container, leaving everything that's from the personal user's data intact, right? So as you can see on the left-hand side corner, we actually have a few tabs. We have a mail tab to actually query all the information from your personal mail. We have a calendar app that's built into this secure mail container as well as your corporate contacts. So the idea of WorxMail is to actually have something that's highly productive for users. Okay, so things that are available on your Outlook today are actually available within this mail app. For example, if I think that, hey, this particular email that I'm gonna send out, I need to query my corporate directory. As you can see, I'm able to pull out information from my corporate directory. And if I want to set it to high importance, I can do that directly from the app itself. And notice something interesting. As you can see, I do not have the option to actually attach from any non-secure containers. So I only have the option to attach from ShareFile, which is actually our corporate secure container software solution. Okay, so I can access my files and folders, which is actually data that follows me on any device with a secure mail client. And I'm actually able to access different documents that's actually stored in this secure repository. Now, this secure repository can be your SharePoint sites or your CIFS. And as you can see, I can actually pinch and zoom, preview that document and make sure that it's the document that I want to send out. And from there, select that particular document and attach it to my email. And as you can see, what we have done is we actually converted everything into a hyperlink. A 2 to 3 KB hyperlink will actually enable you to save on a lot of network bandwidth. If you're trying to send out a 20 meg PDF file using your email, that will probably be quite a pain. Okay, so we can actually quickly send this email out to recipients, and recipients can download that link. And we can actually put granular controls on that link on when it will expire, who can access it, and that's a pretty neat available options for users. Okay, so there's also a secure calendar function built in directly to this app. As you can see from this view, this is actually a agenda view. If users prefer, they can actually go to a week view about activities for that week, or they can actually have a month view. I'll actually go into the agenda view right now, and as you can see, I actually have a sync up call at 1:30 p.m. So we can actually do a one-touch join to various web conferencing systems such as Link or Cisco WebEx. So given that you're actually on the road and you're driving and you're trying to join a web conference meeting, this will actually be a very convenient option for you to actually execute the joining of the web conference, right? So we can actually join the web conference, and if there's an access number to actually dial in, you will notice that there's an option that actually enables me to call that number directly from my mobile app as well. Okay, so if I'm running late for that particular meeting invite, I can click on running late, and what happens is, as you can see, I'm emailing the organizer of that meeting, and that enables me to send a notification to the organizer saying that I'm running late for that particular meeting. Okay, other functions that we can actually do, you can actually accept that calendar invite, you can do a tentative, you can do a decline, you can forward out that invite to someone else that needs to join that meeting. Okay, so it's a very integrated system that's similar to your Outlook. And if you actually need to query your corporate contacts, as you can see here, I can search my corporate contacts and add that into a local copy. So this is a local copy of the system that I have. And what we can do is we can actually configure FaceTime. So if the iOS user on the other end has FaceTime configured, we can actually do a FaceTime call directly from the iOS device to the iOS device. and that's all integrated. So how many times have you actually left the office for a holiday without setting out of office? So in this WorxMail app, there's actually an ability for me to actually set automated replies. I can configure different information for notifications to users inside and outside of my system, right? So I can quickly save that, and that will actually be propagated down to all my devices, my entire system. Anyone that sends me an email will be able to actually get the notification that I'm out of office, right? So this is a very good way that we can actually be productive on the go, similar to how you access an Outlook client directly from your system on a PC or a Macintosh, right? Thank you for your time, and I will be ending this presentation.